HubSpot CRM is more powerful than ever. And if you're running a small business or growing online brand, this tool can literally transform your revenue. Here's how. Start by setting up your pipelines. HubSpot's pipeline automation is modern and more customizable, meaning you can track leads from first contact all the way to close deals without doing it manually. Next, connect your email and forms so HubSpot automatically logs every interaction, every email, every lead submission, every website visit. HubSpot captures it and updates the customer timeline. And now the real power, automation. With HubSpot's update, you can automate follow-ups, nurture sequences, abandon cart reminders, meeting scheduling, and sales tasks with zero manual effort. Use lead scoring to prioritize the hottest leads and sync it with your sales pipelines so your team focuses on buyers who are most likely to convert. Pro tip, use HubSpot's built-in AI forecasting. It analyzes patterns in your leads and predicts which one will convert, okay? Which ones will convert, helping you focus on activities that bring real revenue. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. A lot of YouTubers recommend Shopify or WordPress, but for solopreneurs and digital creators in 2026, Gumroad, the most efficient system is Gumroad, Product Hub, Zapier, or Make, email automation, Stripe, and PayPal for payment method, right? How this architects your income. Gumroad turns every lead and every piece of content into potential recurring revenue automatically. Example system: someone watches your video, downloads your free template on Gumroad. Zapier sends them to your email list. Automated emails lead them to your paid product. Payments flow through Stripe. Zapier tags high intent users for future upsells. Pro hack: triple stack monetization. With each product, stack digital product, upsell, template, script pack, advanced version, subscription, weekly insights, monthly templates. Okay, this is how creators make 2,000 to 10,000 a month with small audiences. So this is an income architecture: acquire, automate, monetization, not random tool, not random tool hopping. If you apply these 3-tool sequence consistently for 90 days, you will have fully functioning income system instead of a guessing game. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.